guys, hello.
I got my new camera from Wish and I want to unbox it to show that what product I get. It was not expensive, it was quite affordable and it is good, I hope. So let's open it and see how it is. Oh, nice. I can see the packet view is very good FHD high definition camera with night vision. Here the feature you can see also video camera, digital camera, and the resolution should be 1920 into 1080 is quite high definition HD. Megapixel 24.0, this is the max, and also 16 zoom. It's looking quite better. Let's see now the product inside how it is. I'm going to open. It's look like a small packet, but it's okay, I think. I can see a HDMI cable to connect with the TV here, and there is a tutorial guide to fix the camera. Here is the user manual, you can see here. So if somebody doesn't know about this camera, they obviously can read the user manual and can set up the camera how you want. I can see here a charger port. It's like USB type. You can use if someone have mobile charger. Also, you can, I think, use to charge the camera. You can use with laptop and desktop computer also. Finally, here is the camera, I can see, and I got a good cover with white and black color, looking cool. You can put your finger to hold it also, nice looking. Also, I see the camera black and silver color, looking cool. Is FHD high definition camera with 24.0 megapixel. I'm going to open, see, it's on now. There is a cover in the head. Open it, see guys, it's looking good. And if you see the function, so some buttons here, power button, mode, menu, up and down, and I forgot to say this camera include Wi-Fi. You can use Wi-Fi. You can load your video and photos directly to your mobile or computer by using Wi-Fi here. I can see zoom. You can make zoom also if you want to get the video or scene up closer, or you want to make it far. You can make a picture also. There is a photo options also, photo button I can see. Look, the front display guys, it's looking cool. You can use also external lens if you want to zoom it, your video. I can see here also the option you can use your microphone or the light lens if you want to use. So there is also option there is a holder. You can hold also your camera when you want to make video. It's looking quite nice. I like it. It cost me not a lot, only $67 I think, and is good quality, I hope. But one thing is missing, guys, because the feature was showing me that I will receive also microphone on the top and lens, but I didn't receive it from Wish. So I don't know why I didn't receive, but maybe I gonna complain to the Wish if they want to send me. But I'm quite happy with this, just waiting to use it and see how actually it works, and I will give you update in my next video how I am using this FHD camera buying from Wish. I hope, guys, you found your information what you wanted, and if you want to buy, you can just directly go in Wish website and buy it with cheaper port, because I want to make a low cost studio, so it will be fine for me, I hope. Thank you very much for today, and goodbye.